Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Sports Research Collagen Peptides, one of the best-selling collagen supplements on the market. We wanted to see if it truly improves skin, hair, and bone health, or if it's just overhyped powder. After taking it daily for several weeks, we noticed better joint comfort and slightly improved skin hydration. Our hair felt stronger and nails grew faster, which is consistent with what collagen peptides are supposed to do. It's hydrolyzed collagen, so it mixes easily with water, smoothies, or coffee without clumping. Pros: it's third party tested, high quality, and unflavored, so it's versatile. It also comes from grass fed bovine sources, which is a cleaner option compared to generic collagen. Cons: result take time, usually at least 6 to 8 weeks, so don't expect overnight miracles. Also, it's not vegetarian friendly, and if you're expecting major wrinkle removal, you may be disappointed. Overall, Sports Research Collagen Peptides is a solid collagen product that supports joints, skin, hair, and nails, but patience is key to seeing results. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.